In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a flowchart in PowerPoint with a step-by-step tutorial. Whether you're preparing a presentation for work or school, a flowchart can be an incredibly effective tool to visually represent processes and ideas. Let's dive right into the process so you can get started on your flowchart today. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. This is where your entire flowchart journey begins. Once PowerPoint is up and running, navigate to the presentation where you want to create the flowchart. If you don't have an existing presentation prepared, you can simply start a new one. The key here is to make sure you have the space where you'll be crafting and displaying your flowchart. Next, we will focus on the toolbar at the top of the screen. Here, you should click on the Insert tab. The Insert tab is where all the magic happens, since it holds the tools for adding different elements to your slides, including images, shapes, and most importantly for us today, Smart Art. Once you've clicked on the Insert tab, your aim is to find and click on Smart Art. Now, Smart Art is incredibly handy because it gives you access to various diagrams and graphic options that can enhance your presentation significantly. In particular, we are going to use Smart Art to create our flowchart. Within the Smart Art options, look for a category labeled Process. The Process section is specifically designed for diagrams that show steps or stages. Here you'll browse through different flowchart templates available. Choose the one that best fits the complexity and style you are aiming for with your flowchart. Selecting the right template can save you time and make your information clear and impactful. After selecting your desired flowchart, click OK. PowerPoint will automatically create the flowchart structure on your slide based on your chosen template. Now comes the exciting part, customizing the flowchart. To change the text in the flowchart, simply click into each text box and replace the placeholder text with your own content. Tailor this content to suit the specific steps or phases of the process you're illustrating. Be as descriptive or concise as necessary to communicate your message effectively. If you find that you need an additional phase or step, don't worry. Adding a new phase is straightforward. Navigate to the last text box of your flowchart, click on it and then press enter. This will add a new phase, allowing you to continue expanding your flowchart as needed. And there you have it, your flowchart has been created and customized right within PowerPoint. By following these steps, you're well on your way to making your presentations more visually engaging and communicative. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and good luck with your next presentation.